first. Front, top, back, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, and last one. Now at the bottom here, we're gonna stop. And now let's do the in-spin, where we go back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, back, top, front, bottom, and last one, back, top, front, bottom. We'll go forward first in anti-spin, and then we'll reverse at the bottom. We'll do 10 sets of reversals. So you really reverse twice to do a full cycle. Once to get into in-spin, and then once to get back to anti-spin. So here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, reverse, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom. Third set, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, reverse, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, reverse, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, reverse, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, reverse, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, reverse, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, reverse, front, top, back, bottom, reverse, back, top, front, bottom, reverse, and last set, and reverse, back, top, front, bottom. If you're trying to do the reversal and you're not doing choreography, it really, in a sense, doesn't matter. You could just go one way and then the other. Now, I did anti-spin then in-spin first, but guess what? You can just as easily go in-spin then anti-spin. There's no right or wrong if you're not trying to like do choreography. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, back, up, front, bottom, back, up, front, bottom, back, up, front, bottom, back, up, front, bottom, back, up, front, bottom. One more time, back, up, front, bottom, down. Now we're gonna do 5 in in-spin. So just in-spin to remind ourselves how to do that. So we go forward first, 5, 6, 7, and bottom, front, top, back, bottom, front, top, back. 3, bottom, front, top, back. 4, bottom, front, top, back. And last one, bottom, front, top, back, down. Now, if you've been focusing on the details, you might notice it takes less time to do the anti-spin than to do the in-spin. That's because there's one less rotation of the poi, because the anti-spin is only hitting the bottom of the turn here, here, and here, whereas the in-spin hits the bottom of the turn here, 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 and then you're back down to the bottom. So it's 4 rotations to do the in-spin, and it's 3 rotations to do the anti-spin, which means the anti-spin takes less time. That is normal. So in the flow of the pattern, it may feel like it's asymmetric, and that's because when you reverse between the two, it is. So let's do the reversal now. So we'll go back like this, we'll get to the bottom, and then come front like that. Okay, so here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and bottom, back, top, front, bottom, front, top, back, reverse, bottom, back, top, front, reverse, bottom, front, top, back, reverse, bottom, back, top, front, reverse, bottom, front, top, back, reverse, bottom, back, top, front, reverse, bottom, front, top, back, reverse, bottom, back, top, front and bottom, front, top, back, reverse, bottom, back, top, front and bottom, front, top, back, reverse, bottom, back, top, front, reverse, bottom, front, top, back, reverse, bottom, back, top, front, reverse, bottom, front, top, back, and down. So let's remind ourselves first how to do the anti-spin with both hands. So we're starting here, left over, right under, and we'll do the anti-spin. And that means the left hand's gonna go forward, the right hand's gonna go backwards. So we'll do 5 sets of just anti-spin. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. and down. Let's do it again. We'll do 5 more because my 5 sucked. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and down. Now we'll do the in spin. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third set. 2, 3, 4 and 4, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one. 5, 2, 3, 4 down. Try 1 set. So what we'll do is we'll do anti-spin and then in spin and then rest. And then we'll do anti-spin and then in spin and rest. We'll do that a couple times, or more than a couple maybe. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, reverse to in spin, and now come back down and hold. And 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, and in spin, and come back down and hold. And 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, in spin, and down and hold. 5, 6, 7, go. Anti-spin, in spin, and down and hold. 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, in spin, and down and hold. 5, 6, 7, go. Anti-spin, in spin, and down and hold. 5, 6, 7, go. Anti-spin, in spin, and down and hold. Okay, now let's try doing 2 in a row this time. So 2 sets. So anti-spin, in spin, anti-spin, in spin. 5, 6, 7, go. Anti-spin, in spin, and then anti-spin again, and then in spin the last time, and then come down and hold. 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, and now in spin, reverse again, we're to anti-spin, and reverse one more time to in spin, and come down and hold. 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, in spin, and anti-spin, and in spin, and down and hold. And 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, in spin, and anti-spin, in spin, and down and hold. Let's try 4 sets this next time. 5, 6, 7, and anti-spin, in spin, slower, and anti-spin, it's gonna be a little faster, and then in spin will be slower. Now third set, anti-spin, and then in spin will be slower, and then last set, anti-spin, and last one, in spin, and down.